Hello? Oh, hi, baby. Oh, no, I've got a presentation. Oh my god, I'm already there. No, I'll talk to you later. Okay, so how many of you thought that was a very annoying behavior? None? You thought that was annoying? Very nice, that was. So I believe all of you all have female friends? No? Of course, yes. I mean, I know none of you will accept it, but after all that fake accent and all this loud makeup and all, I'm sure you thought that was annoying, but here is something that is more annoying. Here is something that is like really annoying. And I know a lot of girls will hate me after this, but my today's topic is 10 types of annoying girls. Okay. The first one. The Barbie. She's always dressed up. I'm sure all of you all have seen that kind of a girl. Like she's always dressed up and decked up. Wherever she goes, she's on high heels, and I think she came out of her mother with manicure done and pedicure done. And hello, girl, you're just a nuisance to everybody because you always make us look bad. Because you look that good. And it's like if you're sitting somewhere silently reading something, you know from a mile away that she's coming because you can hear her heels. She wears heels everywhere. This just to show I don't wear heels everywhere because they're very uncomfortable. Okay. She never carries a backpack. She always carries a purse. And she always keeps a pen in her purse. But she can't use that pen because it's sand. Anybody can guess what that pen is? Eyeliner, exactly. Very proud of you. Okay. Okay. The second is WWW. Anybody, what does it stand for? Sorry? No, she's the Worldwide Water Web. She puts everything that she feels on Facebook or Twitter. Every deep emotion of hers goes on Twitter. And she's the Instagram queen. You look at her, she alters her picture so much that you can't find her nose. I mean, how is that even possible? My Instagram doesn't have a feature like that. I'd love to, I have a fat nose. Okay, click. The Opera House. Everybody here, I'm sure all of these 10 girls, somebody or the other, you can relate to. This Opera House is the girl who over-exaggerates everything. I mean, if she was a newspaper, her headline would be her broken nail. She's like, oh my god, that guy looked at me. Oh my god, that's the best day of my life. She's she's the drama queen. And like I said, she's the drama queen. You can't make out if she's speaking or she swallowed a bee inside her. She's like, she acts like that. She's always overreacting on anything. I mean, honestly, girl, I'm happy or sad as to whatever is happening to you, but you look like an opera house to everybody. You shout. You're over-exaggerating. Okay, the MRT. This is the kind of girl who's just, basically, I think all of us missed out on a broadcast that proclaimed her to be the queen of the world. She carries that invisible crown on her head, which all of us miss because we think they are devil horns, basically. She is always very rude, always very sarcastic towards everybody, even if somebody compliments her, like for an example.
Hi.
She doesn't talk verbally, only her expressions speak. And if you want... And if you want to be an MRT, all you have to behave like as if you got constipation. So you will get that look automatically on your face. Next. The parental unit. Okay, she's like your another mother. She's less of a friend and more of your parent. She keeps telling you what to do. She keeps telling you, oh, you're not allowed to do that. You can't do that. That's not allowed. You know, you're not supposed to behave like that. Just for an example.
What type of clothes you're wearing? Is that not allowed in public?
Excuse me? Okay, so this is really hard to keep it because you know she's just so impossible as a friend. Next. The bad veggie. This girl, I think, just pretends to be your friend. She hates you from inside. She hates you so bad that she has vowed that she will disagree with you. Even if you say sun rises from the east, she'll say no, it doesn't. It rises from the west. This is the girl that, you know, is so rude and she passes sarcastic comments everywhere and she makes the public, you know, uncomfortable. Very, very uncomfortable. Like, I will be the one, just in case you guys get confused.
Hi.
Hey, nice dress.
Thank you.
Is that the dress you wore on Saturday?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, wear it 100 more times.
What?
Yeah, it looks, like it looks good. Next. Okay, so everybody knows this girl. She is boyfriend obsessed. You can't see her alone anywhere. She is always with her boyfriend, no matter if it's a family gathering, you're going out with friends, or wherever, she's always there. She is always there, like you can see. They are always holding hands. They are too much in love. Like, too much in love. And these kind of people make you just hate relationships. You're like, I think I have some problem in my eyes because I never see her alone. See, they even dress sometimes in the same color, almost the same color. So they're like twins, the twins couple. But yeah, she's very obsessed with this boyfriend of hers. Next. The light switch. All of you all know here what is mood swing? Yes. How often do we have mood swings? Like as often as you switch off and switch on a light? No, right? No normal person gets mood swings like that. But this girl switches off the light as soon as she switches it on. She'll make you believe that she's about to flood the entire room with her tears at one moment, and the other moment she will laugh, sing. This kind of a girl, you know, when you see a newborn child for the first time, from a distance you can't make out if it's a boy or a girl. She's that kind of a girl. You can't make out if she's happy or sad. You can't crack jokes with her because you never know how will she react. She'll come and hug you or she'll throw a chappal at you. You never know. These type of girls, I'm sure everybody has a friend like that. No? I'm glad you guys are not. Next. Okay. The sweet talk. Everybody has watched Pyar Ka Panchnama? Yes. Everybody remembers Liquid? Yes. And his not girlfriend, but the girl he used to like? Yes. What was she? No. Her traits, what were they like? What were her traits like? What were her qualities? What she used to do? Somebody said sweet talk over there. Exactly, yes. She is the kind of girl who will, you know, she'll make you believe that she's the sweetest thing alive on this earth. She'll get her work done. She will be like, you know, hi, can you please do this thing for me?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. And the moment you do her work, the moment you're done with the work, she doesn't recognize you.
Hey, hi, remember me?
Do I happen to know you? Next. The bouncing clown. She's the girl who makes every guy feel lucky because she pounces upon him. She never leaves a stone unturned to touch the guys. she's like, and she'll bang into them. And she'll say sorry, but she's never sorry for banging into them. Just for an example. Hi. Okay guys, conclusion. I know girls are annoying. We all of us accept that girls are annoying, but as much as you hate them, you can't do without them. Thank you.
Vaidehi,
Yes.
you have classified the female youths into 10 categories. Based on some research or your own personal observation?
No, sir. I'm sure every girl agrees with these kind of things.
Where you put yourself in this category?
I knew that question was coming. All of us, like every female on this earth, has some or the other character, but none of us knows which character. So it is for males to decide which one is that girl. So I can't actually tell you, but it's the males who decide.
I think you are valuable.
I tell them like this just to show that, you know, something can be more annoying than this girl. I am not Barbie. Thank you, sir. I go the heels just to the heels are the section.
In this crowd of, I think, definitely more than 100, maybe 200 girls,
Yes, sir.
would this crowd contain all 10 of this?
No, I'm sure more, but I had only 10 minutes.
Oh. You mean there would be other types of annoying girls as well?
There are types of annoying men as well, but I chose this. There is nothing better than making fun of oneself. Nothing as brave as it.
Feedback? Statement topic 10, homework 10, quality 10, effectiveness 10, suitability 10, opening 5, curiosity 10, confidence 10, conviction 10, panache 3, delivery 8, statement is 10, communication 10, slides 8, other backup 6, overall impact 10, organization 10, giving time 10, filling questions 10. Your total is 180 plus 5 is 125. Your backup there, you got 6 other backup. That's because this girl was not talking loud enough. I couldn't hear what she said. So she should have spoken loud enough. Your get-up and your demeanor here has got you 3 marks in panache. You is the only second person in this whole class to get marks in panache. So please note, part of panache is this. People ask me panache kya hota hai, wo hota hai. That's it. 185. Thank you very much.